Jane and student. In our previous class of computer, we will learn about the system software and also learn about the utility program. Some topic are left about the utility program. So today we are start about the data recovery. Student, what is the data recovery? As the name implies, data recovery program are used to recover the data. Since disk drive or other hardware may fail, these utilities are essential to recover data in such a scenario. Suppose if our lost the file, then our hard disk will be failed, then we can also recover the data. Next, data compressed form. Data compressed form means these make the data more compact, reducing the space occupied by the data. Example of these program are WinZip, RAR, etc. Data compressed means students, we will take the example. Suppose if we put our cloth to from almirah without any fold, then it take a large space. But if we fold our cloth and then put in the almirah, then it will be take a less space. अगर हम अपने कपड़े को विदाउट फोल्ड ही अलमीरा में रखेंगे then it will take a large space. बट अगर उसको हम फोल्ड करके रखेंगे तो ये क्या करेगा, कम स्पेस लेगा. Just same, we have to also compress our file, our data in computer. And here give the example how we can compress the data. Dear student, please see. Next is disk management program. What is the disk management? These are the program involving formatting and arranging disk file in orderly manner. Means कि disk management arrange the data or file in the order manner, means in sequence manner. नेक्स्ट डिस्क क्लीनअप प्रोग्राम. स्टूडेंट, नाम से ही समझ में आ रहा है कि व्हाट इज द डिस्क क्लीनअप. क्लीन these assist user to freeing up the disk space. The software scan hard disk to find the file that are no longer used and clean up space by the deleting. What the work of the disk cleanup program? It scan the file that we are not used the longer time. वो फाइल जो हम बहुत टाइम से यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं, विद द हेल्प ऑफ द डिस्क क्लीनअप वी कैन डिलीट दैट फाइल एंड फ्री अप द space from the hard disk. Okay, today we have to complete the system software. Now next is application software. What is the application software? A software that perform a single task and nothing else is called a application software. It is something that intend to the perform a task on a system or a specific प्रोग्राम. अ सॉफ्टवेयर दैट परफॉर्म अ सिंगल टास्क. वो सॉफ्टवेयर जो कौन से वर्क को परफॉर्म करता है, सिंगल टास्क यानी सिंगल वर्क को. दैट इज कॉल्ड द एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, हियर give the some categories of the application software. First is general purpose application software. It is a type of software that can be used for a variety of the tasks. It is not limited to one particular function. Means general purpose software is not use only one particular work or one particular function. It will do, it can do many things like write a novel, create a restaurant menu, or even make a poster also. Some examples given in the general purpose software are word processing, spreadsheet, database, desktop publishing, presentation, graphic software, web designing. These are the software that are not use only the single work. It can do many types of work. Next is special purpose application software. It is type of software create to the execute one specific task. यानी special purpose software only use for the one specific टास्क, यानी इस सॉफ्टवेयर से हम सिर्फ एक सिंगल वर्क ही कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ कैमरा एप्लीकेशन ऑन योर फोन यू विल only allow you to take a share picture. Means हमारे फ़ोन में what the work of the camera is also application software, but it's a special purpose of application software. इसका यूज़ हम लोग किस लिए करते हैं? only click the pictures. कैमरा का यूज़ और किसी चीज़ के लिए तो हम लोग कर नहीं सकते फ़ोन में. Okay, just like same, we have to take the other example. For the chess game, it would only allow you to play the chess. Suppose that हमारे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में अगर चेस गेम है, ठीक है, या लूडो है, तो इससे हम सिर्फ एक ही तरीके का गेम खेल सकते हैं. चेस है तो सिर्फ चेस ही खेलेंगे. इट्स अ स्पेसिफिक पर्पस एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. नेक्स्ट इज bespoke, यानी कस्टमाइज और टेलर मेड एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. व्हाट इज इट? It is tailor-made software for a specific user and purpose. It is designed according to the need of the organization or an individual. Means a tailor-made software for a specific user. It's designed by the specific user or a specific organization. For example, a factory may require software to run a robot to make cars. However, it is only factory making that car is the world. So the software required would have to be specifically built for the task. This type of software will expensive and it may take some develop to the software. Other example of bespoke software are invoice management system, airline reservation ticket system और स्कूल इन्वेंट्री etc. मतलब वो सॉफ्टवेयर जो किसी पर्टिकुलर यूज़र के लिए या पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए बनाया जाता है, वो हमारा bespoke सॉफ्टवेयर होता है. यानी bespoke होता है जिससे हम पर्सनली वर्क कर सकते हैं और सिर्फ उसी वर्क को कर सकते हैं. सपोज अगर हमारे स्कूल के लिए कोई सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया गया है तो उसमें सिर्फ हमारे स्कूल का ही वर्क होगा, अदर्स वर्क हम उस सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू नहीं कर सकते हैं. Next, relationship between hardware and software. What is the relationship between hardware and the software? Here give some points. First, hardware and software are mutually dependent on each other. Both of them must work together to make a computer produce useful output. Means without the help of hardware and software we cannot run the computer system. बिना हार्डवेयर के हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर वर्क नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि अगर हार्डवेयर होगा तभी तो हम सॉफ्टवेयर उसमें डालेंगे. सपोज computer is also a hardware device or electronic device, or without software computer cannot be run. Second point is software cannot be utilized without the support of the hardware. I have already told without the hardware software cannot be support in the computer system. Hardware without a set of program to operate upon cannot be utilized. It is useless. Means hardware is also nothing विदाउट द प्रोग्राम. अगर हम अपने कंप्यूटर में ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को नहीं डालेंगे, यानी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नहीं डालेंगे, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज ऑल्सो सॉफ्टवेयर, देन आवर कंप्यूटर विल नॉट रन. To get a particular job done on the computer, relevant software should be loaded into the hardware. यानी हमें किसी पर्टिकुलर वर्क को करने के लिए हमारे हार्डवेयर में सॉफ्टवेयर को लोड करना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. A software act as an interface between user and the hardware. How the software work? It is just like act interface between the users and hardware.